everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this fun tray just in time for Christmas. I found the design for today's project right in the images section of Design Space. I'll include the image number in the description below so you can find it easily. For this project, you'll need a tray and some vinyl. I'll just cut out a piece of vinyl a bit larger than my design. Today I'm using permanent vinyl in white. Today's project is pretty long, so I'll stick the vinyl down to a 2-foot green mat and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now I'll pop it into my maker. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Grab your weeder tool and use it to pull off the background. Flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. Take a piece of transfer tape, a bit larger than your design, and stick it on. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. Peel off the backing paper, and this is ready to stick onto the tray. I can place the design into position. Now I can use my scraper tool again to stick this onto the tray. I can carefully pull off the transfer tape. This project is done and ready for Christmas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.